How to slowly black and white video except for one color. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to slowly black and white this video, but only leave the red colors. Create a new adjustment layer with default settings and drag it above your clip and adjust its duration to match your clip. Now go to Effects panel and search for Leave Color. Drag and drop Leave Color effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls and make sure the playhead is at the start of clip. Click on the eyedropper tool and leave Color Effect and choose the color you don't want to be black and white. Set Match Colors to using Hue. Now click on Stopwatch next to Tolerance and Amount to Decolor to create starting keyframes. Move the playhead a little forward and play with Amount to Decolor and Tolerance values until you only see the color you choose and other colors change to black and white. This will create second keyframes. Move the playhead to where you want to start coloring the video again and click on the circle buttons to create keyframes with current value. Then move the playhead a little forward and click on this button to reset the parameters. Now we have this nice transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.